Hi, my friend. Welcome. If I could go back in time and give my younger self some skincare advice, the things I would say is less is more, consistency matters, and the best beauty tools of all are your hands. In this video, I'll share the biggest skincare mistakes I made and some of the things I learned over time. And while we're doing that, I'm going to guide you through a very simple face massage because taking care of our skin keeps getting better over time. So grab some face oil, take a nice deep breath, and let's get started. Mistake number one, over exfoliation and harsh products. So when I was in my 20s, I used to think that I needed a lot of actives to make my skin look better. But I realized over time that over exfoliation can actually lead to a compromised skin barrier. It can dry out the skin, leave it red and irritated, and actually can lead to premature aging. So now I really just focus on more gentler products, something that's going to calm my skin down and be soothing and nourishing for my skin. And I tend to use more natural products and nothing that is too harsh on my skin. Mistake number two, ignoring my neck. So I used to only apply my skincare to the jawline over here, really just focusing on the face. And I would completely forget my neck area. But the truth is, the neck is the first thing that starts aging us. So by really nourishing and taking care of our skin, massaging our skin, applying our skincare down to our neck and chest area is going to improve the way our skin looks over time. Mistake number three, not using face massage earlier. So I used to fully rely on skincare, but I really didn't spend enough time thinking about the tension that we hold in our face and how that actually contributes to lines and wrinkles and puffiness in our face. So now I spend so much more time really massaging my skin, realizing that skincare can only do so much, and actually massaging our skin, increasing blood circulation and blood flow to our skin, reducing that tension in our face is going to make a big difference in terms of how our skin is going to age. Mistake number four, thinking more products equal better skin. So I used to pile on skincare. I used to put on so many different types of skincare, layer them on, and sometimes putting different actives on. And I realized that it was stripping my skin and just making it more vulnerable to redness and irritation. So now I really just focus on applying less skincare, but really being more intentional with the skincare that I am using. So first I do a very gentle cleanser, then I do toner because hydration is key, and then we go over with a moisturizer or a serum and then lock in that moisture with a face oil. And that is sometimes all I need. And it's amazing that you can go from a 12 to 15 step routine to just really going down to the basics, and that is actually making the biggest difference in my skin. Mistake number five, neglecting hydration inside and out. And so I would just think that putting on some moisturizer would be enough sometimes, but really when you stay hydrated from the inside out, taking care of yourself by drinking tons of water and coconut water and staying hydrated inside, but also making sure that you are hydrating your skin. So I always say before you apply a face oil or a moisturizer, you always want to make sure that your skin is hydrated first. That's why it's really important to make sure that if you don't use a toner, maybe after you cleanse your skin, make sure your skin is still a little bit damp when you're applying a moisturizer or a face oil, because that's going to lock in that hydration. And of course, tons of vegetables and fruit and water is the best thing for your skin to really nourish your skin from the inside out. So, what I realized is that skincare really is a journey. It takes time to figure out what works for you, but I can tell you with 100% certainty that chasing skincare trends and perfection is not the way to do it. It's really about using nourishing, gentle products for your skin by also realizing that it starts from within. So, by eating healthy, drinking tons of water, and also massaging our skin using ingredients and products that are of quality rather than quantity. So, those are the best tips that I can give you in terms of how to take care of your skin way into your 40s and 50s and 60s and beyond. So, I hope you liked this video, and I would love to hear from you. What are some skincare things that you've learned over time that you didn't know in your 20s or even in your 30s? I would love to know. Share in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.